Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Mehta. And today we are going to discuss how to drill down using set actions in Tableau. So for this, we will activate sample superstore. Now I will pick up the category from here, product category from here, and drop it into the rows. Now to create the drill down, it is necessary that we make the sets. So click on category, create set. Give the name to it. And we are giving the name category set. Don't take anything right now. And click OK. So the category set will be generated. Now pick up this category set and drop it into the rows. So you can see it's giving everything is out. Why? Because we had not selected any of the category in the sets. Therefore, it is giving everything out. Now I'll create one measure, create the calculated field, and that is subcategories. If category set. Whenever we create any set, it gets converted into the boolean. You can see category set, then select the subcategory, else keep it blank and end the command. So we are creating the subcategory. We are giving the condition if category set, then generate the subcategory, else leave it blank. Click OK. So the subcategories will be generated. Now pick up the subcategory from here and drop it between the category and the in-out category. So you can see here, at present it is not generating any subcategories here. So for this, we will have to create the set actions. So basically, we are doing the drill down using set actions in Tableau. From worksheet, activate the actions, add the action, change the set values, and you can give the name here as drill down subcategory. Make sure select is on, sample superstore is on, and from here category set is on. Remove all values from the set when the selection is being done. Click OK. Press OK. Now when you will click on the furniture, you can see the subcategories get activated. You can see here, right? But at present in and out also is generated. We don't want that, so remove in and out first thing. Now pick up the sales figure from here and drop it into the table. Right, now pick up the segment from here and drop it into the columns. Now when I click on furniture, it generates the subcategory. You can see here furniture, office supplies, technology. So drilling down has started. I want to hide this category also. So that can be done from here, click here and remove the show header. Just a minute. No, it's not possible to hide this because it, let me check it. Yeah, it's working. See. So drill up and drill down, both things are possible. If I again activate this, show the header, furniture, technology, office supplies. So it is drill up and drill down. So this is the way you can do drill down using set actions in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.